This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. The foyer welcomes you west/formal dining room and living room/office west/French doors. Laminate wood floors downstairs. Kitchen open to breakfast area which includes sliding glass door to patio and a family room west/gas fireplace. Corner kitchen west/42 cabinets, include center island, paired west/granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. White vinyl privacy fence in backyard. Second floor is home to 4 beds including a PBR west/tray ceilings and indulgent ensuite bath. Complete west/large soaking tub, separate tile shower, dual sinks, and huge closet. Spacious utility room. Lots of energy-saving features. Close to highways, shopping, dining, and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.